Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Today's video is about a new item that I received. The issue that I run into is I can't show you the box because it got damaged, but I figured you all would enjoy seeing it anyway. So this here is the Power Color Red Dragon Vega 56 card, brand new. They still sell them. You can pick them up for about 300 bucks new. They're supposed to be roughly the power of a 1070 or 1070 Ti. I'm debating whether or not I want to try the mod to turn it into a Vega 64. It ends up performing slightly weaker because it was not designed to be a 64, but it performs better than the 56, which is what this one is, and so I figured we'd take a look at it. So it is a bit hefty. I mean, it's 3 fans, 2 card slots on the case, but it's not as heavy as I would have expected. It's not nearly as heavy as the RTX 2080 from Aorus that I have, which is also 3 fans. So not quite as heavy, but it is hefty, so it feels nice in the hands. It does not feel cheap. It does come with a back plate, although the back plate is not a full covered back plate. It does have openings for the fins, but I suspect that's actually better for it. Looks like it has 3 display ports and a single HDMI. Nope, I'm wrong. 2 HDMI, 2 display ports. So with 2 HDMI and 2 display ports, it should be able to run most monitor setups that people have these days. Overall, it's a really nice looking card. I do like the red and black theme to it, and I'm going to end up using this in that same build that the cable mods video is about. So it'll be fun to put this in and test it out. But I'll see about doing a video soon and give what kind of performance it has and whatnot. But I thought I'd share a little bit of what I got today. So inside it also apparently comes with a little quick installation and driver's disc, and that's it. So it doesn't really come with much, but it's a video card. That's pretty much all you need is the video card itself, and for 300 bucks it's a pretty good deal for 1070 performance. So, and it's got that mod like I was talking about before where you can actually make it perform even better. Anyway, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Again, if you like our video, please hit the like button. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, hit the subscribe button so you get updates as we put in new videos. And leave a comment letting me know down below what you think of this particular card, or if you have any questions about myself, the channel, or any questions you want to ask about anything, just feel free to go ahead. That's it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.